I wish to register an error report.
This site is closed for maintenance.
Override. I wish to register an error report about this parrot I purchased 27.314 minutes ago from this very site.
Scanning. That is the Norwegian Blue. What is the nature of your error report?
This parrot is dead.
Scanning. Error. That parrot is resting. The Norwegian Blue is a superior specimen. It has remarkable plumage.
The plumage is irrelevant. This parrot is dead.
Error. This parrot is resting.
Attempting parrot reboot.
The parrot has moved.
Error! That was you hitting the cage.
Error. It was not.
Testing! Testing! At the time will be 9 a.m. That is a dead parrot!
Error. The parrot is stunned.
Does not compute!
You stunned it just as it was waking up. The Norwegian Blue is an easily stunned specimen.
That parrot is dead! When I purchased it 29.624 minutes ago, I was assured that its total lack of movement was due to no battery life following a prolonged squawk.
Alternate explanation. There is an 89% probability that it is pining for the fields.
Error! Does not compute. Query. Why did it fall on its back the minute I got it home?
The Norwegian Blue's optimal operating mode is on its back. It is a superior specimen. It has remarkable plumage.
I scanned the parrot when I got it home. Calculating results. Conclusion. The only reason it had been sitting on its perch in the first place was that it had been nailed there.
Affirmative. If the parrot had not been nailed to its perch, it would have. Escaped.
Error. This parrot is dead.
Error. It is pining.
It is not pining. It
Choose from the following option.
has passed on. This parrot is no more. It has ceased to be. It has expired and gone to meet its maker. It is a brick. It is a blue screen. It rests in peace. It is pushing up the daisies. It is running windows. It is off the twig. It has kicked the bucket. It has shuffled off its mortal coil. It has run down the curtain. It has joined the choir invisible. This parrot is exterminated.
Scanning for alternate pets. The cache is empty except for a slug.
Query? Does it talk?
Negative.
Unacceptable!
I never wanted to be here in the first place. I wanted to be a lumberjack.
Error!